Do you know germs travel faster with human touch? Yes, it's quite true. While we try to keep our hands clean frequently with soap, water, and sanitizer, it is also very important to keep the surfaces in our house, the frequently touched surfaces in our house, like door knobs, door handles, keychains, wash basins, taps, etc., including switchboards, clean and disinfected. Dusting with a cloth is not a very good and not a very risk-free idea, because when you dust something with the cloth, you not just accumulate the dust, but you also accumulate specks of germ in that cloth. And when you use that cloth at some other surface to clean that surface, in the due process, you keep on accumulating not just the dust, but specks of germs inside that cloth and spread it all over. But what is the solution? Well, the solution is very simple. Go for something which is wipe free. Go for disinfectant which is wipe free. Hi, my name is Ekta Khitan. I am a beauty and lifestyle blogger. In today's video, I am going to talk about a brand new wipe free disinfectant called Insurance by Shamani Industries. So here's this product, ethyl alcohol disinfectant spray called Insurance, which commits to kill 99.9% of germs almost on all kinds of different surfaces, including the tough and the soft surfaces. This is an FDA and ISO approved product, and it is quite a nice product that I have tried, and I kind of liked using this disinfectant spray because A, it is a multi-purpose spray, B, it can be used on multiple surfaces, like I said, the tough surfaces like your doorknobs, the soft surfaces like your sofa, etc. I use this to frequently clean the deliveries that I receive from Amazon or Big Basket, and I find it quite helpful. It is of course a chemical based product, and the chemical composition of the ingredients inside this particular spray is given all at the back of this bottle, along with all the different important details, including how you should use it, where you should use it, on what different kind of surfaces you should use it, and all the cautions. Do not keep it in extreme temperatures, like not very hot, not very cold, because this is a tin product and has a chemical stuff inside it, and there are certain surfaces and substances on which you should not use, which is clearly given the description behind. Another very important thing you should know is that this is only for the external usage and not for any kind of personal consumption. Use it only to disinfect these surfaces, not your body, not your hands. In any given circumstances, do not swallow or drink this particular product like any other chemical product. I have got this one from Amazon. It's a 170 gram of product which costed me around rupees 199. You can also find different variants, or you can always find certain combo offers. I will give the details of the website, so you can check this product from their website, also on Amazon, in the description link below. Well, it's a very simple to use product. Use it like any other disinfectant spray you would be using. It's very simple. Just take the bottle, open the cap of course, and shake the bottle well before using. Now this is your nozzle. Just keep the spray at least 15 to 20 centimeters away from you, like something this distance, 2-hand distance. And for example, if this is the product or surface, just spray it. Fragrance is quite pleasant, unlike so many other disinfectants that I'm currently using, which has a very strong, pungent, chlorine-based kind of smell, because they're chlorine-based kind of disinfectant. This does not have that kind of strong fragrance. Strong fragrance. It has a very nice, mild, lavenderish kind of fragrance, which does not make you feel nauseated, sick, or otherwise. Where to use? You can use it in the kitchen sink, dustbin, tabletop, sofas, doorknobs, car seats, curtains, carpets, toilet area, including the bowl. Wow, that's very important, especially when you're traveling outside. You would it's very imperative, because you can't carry too many products, and using the public toilets are very tough, especially during this time in corona times, when you have to go to office, or you have to necessarily step outside the house, and sometimes you may need to use a public toilet. then a product like this will come very handy. You can use this to sanitize the toilet, you can use this to sanitize the seat where you are sitting in the office, your table, etc. So this is quite a handy. You have to just be careful about the temperature, do not go in the extremes. Yeah, so well, that's all about this particular product and my first views and review about this particular product. I really hope that you will find this video and this information useful. Do let me know, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, do comment and do subscribe to my channel. I'll come soon with some new stuff on my channel. See you then, take care and ciao.